today we will see how to find the odd sum. So I will give the problem in the description below, the link to the problem and the link to the solution too. So the main algorithm for solving this problem is we need to find the odd sum. So how do we find the odd sum? So even plus odd equal to odd, but odd plus odd will be even. So that's how we will do it. So even plus even equal to even plus odd equal to odd, odd plus even equal to odd, and odd plus odd equal to even. So the main algorithm is to count the number of odd numbers in the sequence and count the numbers of even numbers in the sequence, and what we will do is we will just multiply both of them and we will find all the pairs which satisfy the condition that this sum is an odd number. So the algorithm is very simple, and I will be giving this in the description. Let's check this. uh, yep, so this is okay. So we will check the next example. So it's okay, and so we are selecting the maximum number of pairs which are satisfying the condition that the sum of them is odd. So we are running the test cases, it is okay. We are running the submission, it is also okay. So make sure to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thanks for watching.